What up guys, it's Zach, aka the Can of Corn, and we're over here at Bowen Designs in Norwalk, Iowa. Today I want to show you two cool things. One, our fancy new upgraded lifting brackets. Super nice. If you guys remember the old ones, you're usually pulling from the back, which can make it a little more difficult for the shorter operators. These ones are really nice where you can simply just push forward and the bracket lifts right up. Definitely, even if you have an older press, something that you want to look into for an upgrade to make your press that much better, okay? Now, a little trick we want to show you today with this is when you're using a registration pallet, safety first is always a big thing I like to keep in mind. So one thing I want to show you is when you're indexing your pallet over, right? Before you put it down all the way, you want to make sure you're unlocking the bracket like this and let it hang in the spring, okay? Once it's hanging in the spring, you're going to then put the head down. And if you notice, the head does not go down, okay? Because the bracket is open. What that's going to allow us to do is we can manually, slowly put it down to make sure everything's perfectly lined up. Slide it on down and it's going to lock itself in. So whether you're using our older or newer registration brackets, this will make it very easy and safe for you to get set up. Check it out.